Another unboxing video is finally arrived. Look guys, we have Hot Wheels premium cars, Toyota 2000 GT and the Toyota Supra. Let's start unboxing these Hot Wheels premium cars. My brother is unboxing with a knife. Can I help my brother? No thanks, I can do it. Okay, brother is saying he can do it. He tearing the package and start cutting. Oh, we finally got two cards. Now let's okay, we finally got. Let's remove this plastic, and we got the Toyota 2000 GT. Look, guys, the tires are made of rubber. I am seeing Hot Wheels premium cars at first time. It's looking so cool. Wow, number 23 CP, looking very nice. So very awesome car. Mm, Let's put. Let's see Toyota Supra. This one is my favorite. Let's see. Hmm. Look, a black chassis with black chassis and back details, headlight, the tires. Okay, let's put it. Thank you for watching for this. Just